Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a new project in DaVinci Resolve. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. Now, I'm going to show you two ways. Here, I'm currently in DaVinci Resolve, and as you can see that I have a video already exported and completed, and I can create a project for this in two ways. One, I can simply go ahead and click on File, and I can go ahead and I can save this project or save as, and once I do that, it will allow me to save the project and so forth. Another way is when you're closing DaVinci Resolve, you also have the option here to save this, right? So if you click on save, you'll have the option to save the current project. Now, I will not save this now. If you're opening DaVinci Resolve for the first time, or let's say you're going to use DaVinci Resolve and you're opening it to start working on a project, once the DaVinci Resolve is open, you will have the option there to start within a new project, and this is and a default project is there by default. So as you can see, as I open it here, you have the option that says unlisted project, and I can simply go ahead and click on open, which I'll do in a moment, or I can click a new project here and create a new project and name it whatever I want. So if I want to name that test, I can name it test and I can create it and it will open up and so forth. And that's it guys. That's how you can create a new project in DaVinci Resolve on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.